Introducing the QCI-100 Torque Tester, an advanced and user-friendly solution for your torque measurement needs. This versatile tester from Advanced Witness series is designed to provide precise and reliable torque readings, making it an essential tool for various applications. With a wide measurement range from 10 to 100 lb in and a quarter-inch square drive, the QCI-100 is suitable for a variety of fastening tasks and compatible with a wide range of tools and accessories. It also allows for bidirectional measurement, enabling the assessment of both clockwise and counterclockwise torque. The QCI-100 offers 3 modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak, providing flexibility for different testing requirements. Its intuitive user interface with a large display makes it easy to operate and read measurements. Invest in the QCI-100 Torque Tester and experience precision and reliability in your torque measurement tasks. Its wide measurement range, bidirectional capability, multiple modes, and user-friendly interface make it an indispensable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Order yours today and take your torque testing to the next level.